How many margaritas do you think my money could buy, you guys? This is not a joke, even though I got plenty of them. Who's in charge of the girls? Who's in charge of the fraud? Who wants smoke? Who created the fire? Any takers? Got all these bad guys, we ain't forget about me. And they had something to say, but nothing come out when they move their lips. Right? I know I ain't been on like, I'm so sick of this shit, man. But I ain't that sick. I ain't throwed up yet. I'll be back with some more regarding these people putting Pep in the test. Okay?